What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today, I'm coming to you about halfway through the turnaround point here on my little creek fishing run on a Sunday afternoon. So, using soft plastics and trying to catch some fish. So, if you want to come along, hope you will. Hang out and see what we caught today and see what we catch after the turnaround. So, hold on tight, guys. So, get on the reel. Let's go try to catch some fish. First cast. Second cast. Third cast. Fourth cast. There we go, we got our first fish. What do we get here today? This on the Ned bug. Oh yeah, beautiful green sunfish. Here, first one off the bat. Well, not off the bat, we've been casting for a little bit. But using that little Ned bug here. Little green sunfish hanging out up here. First fish. Sweet, see you, buddy. Alright, one down, two more to go. Got a hit right there already. Nope. Not holding it into the hook. Pretty good sized fish, I think, though, was grabbing on it. Can't really tell. I don't have my glasses on me today. Ah, that's a rock. I thought that was a beast. Spotted bass right here in front of me. Doubt I can get him. Just barely can see him through the glare. At least I see a bass. So I'm hoping maybe hooking into one. Something has it. Yep, sure enough, something did have it. Did we get our first bass? On the green sunfish. Oh yeah, something little bitty had it. What did we get here today? Just a little largemouth, looks like. Like something had this. It was moving around, swimming. There we go. Looks like a little largie. Sure enough is. There we go. A little largie there, right in front of that log jam. So thanks for biting, buddy. All right, one more on this guy. We'll switch it up. All right, let's traverse our way through the maze of limbs here. Through the trees. Whoa, almost fell backwards. That had been funny. We get something? Oh yeah, we got a little bitty guy. It's like my line was doing weird stuff over there. Oh, he got off. Couldn't tell whether or not he was a spot or a largie, but I'm gonna count that as a third one. And we'll see. We might go get an extra one right up here in this next little spot to make it officially 3. So, all right, let's go over this grass. See what we catch over there. I think that was a little bass. Picking at it right there. There we go. We get number 3 in here finally. What do we get? Another green sunfish. Oh yeah. Ugh. Fish water in my mouth. There we go. Number 3 fish on the trip. We'll switch it up. There's something else. Probably the same thing. Pretty close, but I think I've got some new, more cross-shapey guys. But switch it up. See you in a second. Alright, so we switched it up to little Ned crawl. It's got some orange and some green. Big flappy pincher looking things. So we'll see if we can't get 3 on it before we head back. Or as we head back, I guess. There we go. We got our first one, I think, on the crawl. What do we get here? A green sunfish once again. No, this is a warmouth up in here. We got a warmouth up in there. Look at those colors. Beautiful in the sunshine there. Nice little warmouth on the little crawfish. See you, buddy. There we go. Another one here on the crawl. Another green. No, it's another warmouth. I think it's another warmouth. I'll get him off the hook and I'll let you guys figure that out. Yeah, there we go. I think it's just a small little warmouth there. All right, number 2 on the crawl. See you, little guy. There we go. Got 3rd one, I think, on this guy. What do we get? Oh, I think we might have got what we're looking for. I think we might have got what we came looking for. Let's see. All right, little bitty bass here. And let's see. Oh, sure it is. Yep. There we go. Little spotted bass there. All right, so we definitely finally found a spotted bass in this hole. It's used to call this space a spotted bass hole, but I think kind of shifted over the years, but there we go. We got one in there. Cool. There we go. What do we get? Something chased it down. What do we get? Oh, a little bit bigger bass. All right, largemouth. Yes, it is. A little largy here. There we go, a little bit bigger one here in the creek because we're heading down it. Awesome. Got that one on the crawl as well. See you, buddy. Thank you for biting. All right. Go a little bit further down. Probably might turn around here around this corner. Depends on what it looks like over there. There we go. Another something on the way back. These are the same bass, the bit medium-sized bass I caught earlier. This is the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah, this is the biggest one of the day right here. Nice little lip hook there. Largy. Yep. Alrighty. Oh well. Oh, showed it off a little bit. He ran off on his way. All right. There we go. Another fish over there in the tree limbs. Another spotted bass, maybe? So, bright white belly, so I'm thinking maybe so. Ooh, barely hooked. Might have hooked him already once. Definitely a little spotty. There we go. That little spotted bass there. Oh, a little dot. He's an exclamation point fish. Nice. Thank you for biting, buddy. There we go. We had a sunfish, a long ear sunfish on there, but we're just trying to get me away from the nest over there. Go. All right, realists. I'm just gonna wind it up. I think actually switching over to this more natural looking color. There are crawfish in here, and I actually saw several of them. They kind of had that orangey, brown, and green look to them. So that actually helped us a little bit. After switching over to that, but had a good day in the creek. We were out here for just a couple hours, maybe an hour and 2.5. Not too much sure. I don't have my phone on me, but it is getting dark. So, thank you guys for coming along. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing and commenting on the videos. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.